I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today again. So if today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to see what I'm doing. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much and God bless you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a braided box braid wig with a closure. So without taking much of your time, I will be taking you through this video to see the step by step how I make a braided box braid wig. Okay, one thing you must know about braided box braid wigs, they are highly affordable. Let me show you guys. Look at it here. They are highly affordable and they are easy to style. Okay, even if you want to renew, you can also renew anytime you really want to renew it. Okay, so these are some of the benefits of getting a braided box wig. It's more than 5 years, yes, because for me, I have braided box braid wig that I made for myself since 2015. Up till now, I still have it. I've not even renewed it. It's so nice. So guys, I will just show you how this braided box braid wig look like. Okay, so guys, this is how it look like. You can see it's so easy to style, and also it's so light. You see, look at it. This is how it look like. Okay guys, without taking much of your time, let's get into today's video. Okay, thank you for staying tuned. God bless you, and please do not forget to subscribe at the end of this video. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, open when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now, I remember everything. And how careless we got. It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
It's too late now, I remember everything. And how careless we got. It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. How careless we could be.
It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we could be.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time. I think back to all the better. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a